Hey guys, Mr. Randall here today, and what we're going to be going over today is what the range of a data set is, and I'll have a couple fun ways of thinking about it here for you. But range and then the max and min and how those relate. And again, here's your quizzes code. And go to this link right here if you have more practice you want to do. So, looking at this, and maybe you guys have seen this on social media, but it's a joke to I don't know who needs to hear this, but no one has this range. It's a joke on actors, and what they're saying is this bear right here, and I don't know what movie that is the same as this bear right here, the one from The Revenant. So it's just a joke on the bear's part, but really the range of parts this bear could play, right? These are two completely different parts this bear would be playing. And that's kind of what the range is. So if we look, before we talk about range, I want us to look at what a max and min is. So max is short for maximum, and that's the largest number in the set. Pretty straightforward. Minimum then is just the smallest number in the set. A good way to think about this is maxing out on the bench press. Really what you're doing is you're putting the most weight possible that you could bench. And what are some strategies we could think of? Well, one, we can always put it in number order. And then what we can do is we can just find furthest number to the left, furthest number to the right. Those are going to have to be our maxes. So here would be our min. Here would be our max. Or two, what I would say is just find it. We have enough math skills where we can find the smallest number in a data set and the largest number. So looking at this, we need to find the max and min of this data set. And it's amount of money spent at a gas station. So one thing I would do is I would look, do you have any number smaller than 3? Well, $2.34 are. Well, then we have right here 25 cents. I look, nothing smaller than 25 cents. So the minimum is going to have to be 25. Oh, messed up there. 25 cents. Well, now let's look for the max. Well, I see right here $34.99. Do I see any numbers smaller than $34.99? No. So that right there is going to have to be our max. So $34.99 is our max. Again, you can put this in number order. If you ended up, you would have 25 cents over here, a bunch of other numbers in the middle, then you would have $34.99 on the ends. And that is where you could find them. Okay, moving on. So the range is really just the max minus the min. And you think about that, well, if we look at this roller coaster, for example, what is the range of heights you could be on? Well, the highest you could be is, let's say, here. Well, the lowest you could be would be right here. So the range is this amount of space right here. What is this measuring as? And that's really what the range is. So let's do a couple examples here. Which one has the larger range? Well, luckily these are in number order, so we can take our max minus our min. 8 minus 3, we would get 5 right here. Well, right here we can do 13 minus 6, and we would get 7. Which one's larger, 5 or 7? Well, obviously 7. So this one is larger. One on the right. So what we can do as well is look at this example. Well, here's a set. We put it in number order. And now we have it in number order. We can just pick the two ends. 20 minus 1, 19. Okay, and so what I would like you guys to do is do this problem. Either way would really work. And then once we do this problem, make sure you do your quizzes. So I'll give you a second here. Okay. So, looking here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just find the smallest number first. Drag my pen across. I see 2. 2 is the smallest. Okay, and now, what is the largest? Well, 4, 7, 11, 16, 20, 22, 25, 26, 33. It's 33. 33, 25, 14, 11, 2. Make sure you always double check that. But here is the range of numbers we could be seeing. Well, so we take the max, 33, minus 2. And our range, that's equal to our range. So right here we'll get 31. Our range is 31 then. Okay, well, here is your quizzes code again. Right here. And go to this site if you need more help.